Find out the difference between compound interest and simple interest on rupees 1250 for 2 years at 8%. So here there are two scenarios and we have to find out the difference between the two scenarios. So let's first take the case of simple interest. So an amount of rupees 1250 has been put on simple interest for a period of 2 years. So this is the first year and this is the second year. Now the rate of interest is 8%. So let's say this is for simple interest. Now the second scenario is that the same amount, rupees 1250, has been put on compound interest for a period of 2 years at 8% per annum. So in both the cases, the principal amount is the same. So this is principal, let's denote it with P. The tenure is the same, which is 2 years. And the rate of interest is also the same, which is 8%. However, the first case being simple interest, the interest is going to remain the same each year, and for each year the interest 8% will be calculated on the original principal at the beginning of the tenure, which is 1250. So for the first year the interest will be 8% of 1250. Again the second year the interest will be 8% of 1250. However, in the case of compound interest, for the first year the interest is going to be 8% of 1250, but for the second year we will add the interest earned during the first year to the principal at the beginning of the first year, and that sum will become the principal for the second year. So P1 will be equal to P, which is the principal at the beginning of first year, plus the interest gained during the first year. So for the second year the interest will be 8% of 1250 plus the interest earned during the first year. So now we have to find out what will be the final sum or the final amount obtained at the end of 2 years in both the cases, and then we have to find out the difference between them. So let's first take the case of simple interest. So simple interest can be found out as PRT by 100. So this is equal to P is 1250 multiplied by R, which is 8, multiplied by the time frame, which is 2 years, divided by 100. So we can cancel this 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, to carry over, 5 5s are 25. So this becomes 25 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 8 5s are 40, 4 carry over, 8 2s are 16, plus 4 20. So 200 rupees is the simple interest. Now let's do the calculation for compound interest. So in case of compound interest, the formula is for the total amount, which is equal to the principal. So amount is equal to principal plus the interest. So amount is equal to principal multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, where n is the time frame. So this is equal to 1250 into bracket 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power n, 1250, 1 plus 0.08 to the power n, which is actually 2. So this is equal to 1250 into bracket 1.08 square. So let me put my calculator here. So 1.08 square multiplied by 1250 is 1458. So this is equal to 1458. Now this is the amount. So the compound interest is equal to the amount, which is 1458, minus the principal, which is 1250. So this is equal to 8 minus 0 is 8, 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the compound interest is 208 rupees. So the simple interest was 200 rupees and compound interest is 208 rupees. Now we have been asked to find out the difference between the compound interest and simple interest. So the difference is equal to 208 minus 200, which is equal to 8 rupees.